van spins a slow, hypnotic circle, carving out the same stale air. I've been breathing for 1,000 nameless nights. It's the only thing moving in a room that feels like a museum of things I used to care about. I'm living in the hollowed out architecture of a life, a skeletal structure of routines and misconnections, where the silence isn't just a lack of sound, it's a physical weight pressing against my chest.